Remember this jewelry gift box from Dreaming Tree? They're now with Creative Fabrica. Let's make this box sparkle for any occasion. Remember here, when you're using hot glue, you have to move pretty quick. So I made the mistake of not moving quick enough. And when I laid the base down, I had to pull it back up because it wasn't straight. So I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes trying to pull the glue off without pulling the Kraft paper apart and see if I can't lay this straight in place one more time. I made an error here. I glued the strip to the box instead of the hinge. The hinge should have been in the same white craft paper. And so we're just going to fudge it by gluing the hinge to the top of the box and then gluing it onto the back of the box. And right here, you're going to want to test that lid, open and close a couple times. Make sure there's no gaps between the top lid and the base.